Tō o ofu I le alii o Yesu ke riso. Au fo I le sauni uni mo le tino. E o ai o na tu ina nau. O le tāpenanga e pe o na wala au paulo tātou te tāpena ngā iai. Tāpena mo le taunu unga. Taunu unga o mea uma. Tāpena mo le teimi e ngata ai. Lo tau mawhai, ma lo mai ai le lalolangi le nei. Angan me e ti ngā. O le loa me tau na whai ai whātu tuu se toi titi. Senga, fufulu ipu, ko kiki. Sena ta pena suavai se kotiki ai fafua se ilana tutu tangata ele ta penale ele furuai po fai mea se fafua se ilana tu atu tamale ainga ele vela mea ona sala mo lo le sala mo ki nga ipa foi mai la po le whana ue le atu. Tātou te lei loa le taimi. O lea, ua lava le taimi o le moe. Ua lava le nā moe. Ua lava le taimi o le whātua tua sa whapea e le taitai. O lea o te talavou. E o le taimi o te oti ai po o koi inga ia o te ustai lea le leo le tua. Ia ele kai. O le ai po. Ele iau. Mai Paulo. Sena. Ua tua no iatu le pongsa. O lea ua tafa mai ata. Lele ua oso le tapuitea. Tulai mai ua lava le nā moe. Walava le nā se I toi titi. Walava le nā se snooze like kiki ya. Ia koe ala roa. Mai Paulo teimi nei. Teimi nei ya le kalesia. Ia o tō ofu ai le malamala. Walava ia le nā o nā. Lava. Walava ia le nā whaitaanga. Lava. Iwa aia tua wa ona nā ta maiti lo whaitaanga e sana whaitaanga. Lava. Lava nā tūro. So ia lea mio whawalwalea. Wai koe inga. Tū. Aisea. Leanga le mea mā neia. O le tui luma o loa tua, a ua lava lau tāpena. Whai mai se isi tantanunga. O le tele wa itu ia whewa I nei funga ele. Wa whewhewhe o le langi o nei eila toa mio. E nei mea fia whaasao sao. Nga ole sua se se uru iai se kau mai mea la fia whaasao sao. Ai langar mea manei o le tangata e oti. Ua sao I luma o le tua. E oti ma le ata I ona folinga. Ua sauni e o pongi ma afisi a ao lona tua. Ma ia whapeane ma whalongo I upu o le tama o feta lai mai. Le au auna le ie ma le whamaoni. Ulu whale maia I le manuia o lowali. Le oli o lowali. O le alanga lea le. Tala leile nei tai au. O le teimi e ulu fale ai le aupa ia. Ia tā pena nei. E te lei loa. Te lei loa. Hala ai le tai au ma le whapea. Ma nei al nei aso. Tau sang fau I leo walata mai. Ia whai pāki o kilismasi. a maka ku Thanksgiving, pa ki o le New Year, tātou te leilo, po o le aso ale nei. Fa mai le isi mau oa, lo o ngā ngahe, se ua tele se lenga i nei tausanga, lo nguinga ua o good foi tātou mo le tausang fau, fau nisi fale stele, te wai mea o tele. Fa mai le tua o e nā le vale, e a mia lo wola nei, fai mo aina mea. O e nā le vale, a mia o e nei, o le ale teimi e toi whaasao ai le mea se o lo e whaia nei. Whaasao nei loa. Ofu o le malama, ta pena i aso uma o lo wasolea, e te tua i luma o lo watua. Ta penanga nā le tangata pa ia, e ala i le aso uma, male manatu, o le aso le nei, o le aso na mai e le tua, o te whaia ai le mea tonu, whaia ai le mea sao, o te savali ai luma i le malama o le tua, a wā a wala aulo o tua i le aso, ua lava tā pena. Lava tā pena lo wa, lava tā pena lo woso, lava tā pena lo utangata, o te tū male oli, i luma o lo watu. E le mawhai e se malosi o seisi. A o le mea e mātango fia. E nā o le sala mō ai mana o mia e le tangata. Nā o le sala mō a ma fuli tua i le leanga, ofu o le malama, e ofu le amio tonu a Yesu ke riso, sa uni e tū luma o lo watua, ma le atoa ma le fia. A wā wa uma o na whai e Yesu ke riso, le whaamanga longa mo i tātou. A o le whesoota inga le tangata ma le whaamanga longa o le salmo. O na e sa vali lea i lo na malama i le oso o le la, se ia o i le oso o le la i le isiaso. Ma aso uma, whapena o na e sa vali o louto e aso le nei. Mai li o oka i malua, mato ia i malua. Senga, a e pese, ia e pese malo mautinoa, malo manatu o lauto e pese alea e otino. A e launga, ia e launga malo manatu o lauto e launga alea e otino. Ia awane ia se mea to toe ia te oe. Awane ia se mea whaapolopolo mo atayau. Ia e sa saa atoa. Saa whaoti le uto al whaimea. O le tātou watua, na ia sa saa atoa. No nā lofa tūnoa, e ala ia Yesu ke riso. O la tanga aluena, ta lia, lea lofa ua te saa mai mo i tā ua. Ma tā ola ai e tusa o lona malama. E o ai i le whaavavau. Our message today is primarily from the book that we read, Paul's letter to the Romans, chapter 13. Today, the emphasis of today is from 11 to 14, but we read the whole chapter because it is significant for these days. It is always it's elevating to have prepared and prepared well for any occasion. In Samoan weddings, it's very complicated. When a girl wants to get married, the family get together. One relative volunteers to pay for the dress. The other one says, okay, I'll take care of the cake. Another one says, I'll take care of the wardrobe. Then they buy a big trunk and fill them with clothing for both the husband and the wife. And one would say, I'll take care of the dress and all that. Take care of the DJ, and I'll pay for the hall. Isn't that beautiful? And the Samoan tradition is that the woman or the bride's family gather fine mats and mats. That will be the gift from the woman's family, the bride's family, to the groom's family. And the more fine mats you have, the more mats you have, is an indication of the wealth of the family. So the groom's family is also the same. They're getting together, they're sorting things out, but they want to gather a lot of money for the bride's family. Because the more money they have is an indication how much wealth that they have. Now, the funny thing is, on that day, this wedding, families gather and they exchange gifts. Fine mats and mats to that side, and that side brings a lot of money for this side. Then the family here would just sort of distribute the money. And the bride and groom are broke. Isn't that funky? And then it sort of developed. I like the new development. Say, no fine mats. You give $10,000. This family, $10,000. And then we give 20 to the bride and groom, that they will start their family from there. Now that's much better. But anyway, the point is, it's really good to be well prepared for what is ahead and for what is coming. But most of all, it's good to know what is coming so that you prepare accordingly. It's really sad when we prepare for a group of 10 and 100 people show up. Then we'll have to cut the taro in square inches so everyone could have a little piece of communion taro. But it's good to know. And Jesus, we started the service with the words of Jesus to his disciples from the book of John. Walk in the light. Walk in the light as I am the light, and those who walk in the light are the children of the light. Those who do not walk in the light don't know where they're going. It means you're lost. Isn't it funny when you find someone just going all over the place and you ask them, where are you going? I don't know. Oh, so you're just, I don't know where I'm going. You're not lost. That's the only good thing about not knowing where you're going. You're never lost. You're only lost when you have somewhere you're going to and you're not getting there. So you're lost. But if you're not going anywhere, you're never lost. You're just going nowhere in space. But when the Lord said, walk in the light, he's saying, know where you're going. Know where you're going, and then prepare accordingly. So let's jump to the end of all things. Where are we going? We're all going to the grave. Hallelujah. Yay. Let me repeat that. We're all going to the grave. That's where our bodies are going. But we're going back to God. Are you prepared to stand before your God? That is the question. So let's start with Romans from the beginning. Romans 13. 1, authority. Paul is saying, accept all authority. Submit to all authority. Obey all authority and honor authority. Because there is no authority on earth unless it is given from above. Unless it is given from above. So all authority is from God. You know, I really hoped Hillary would win the election. And all the media, all the polls, everything pointed to her winning the election. Even on the day of the election, every channel, every network said that Trump would have to win Florida and then try and pull some of those other, Ohio and Wisconsin, to win. They were so sure Hillary would win. But the thing is, TV cannot predict the will of God. But the evangelists knew. All the great pastors, all the great people of God, they knew Trump would win. Why? Because God had told them. That's why they went and met with the man before the election. They went and gave him their blessing. They even prayed for him. The man everybody thought would not win. But God, they heard God. They walked in the light. And in the light, they got it from the channel called God Channel. You know, the radio station we had to tune our into. It said, I'm going to put my man in the White House. And he's going to bulldoze all idols that are there. So yeah, I didn't really like the guy. Excuse the term. I must speak with respect. But he's my president now. God has spoken. And therefore, let's honor him. Because Paul says, if you do not accept authority that God has placed among you, you are rebelling against God. You are disagreeing with his appointment. Kudos to all the children who exercise their right. You know, it's fine. But for Christians, you should know where you stand. This is the